Welcome to our podcast, where we cover unique and interesting stories for you. In this episode, we will discuss the archaeologists who have discovered a 26,000-year-old human and animal footprint in Spain. The archaeologists stumbled upon the 26,000-year-old footprints of humans and animals after it was unearthed by the construction workers at the site, which once was a unique settlement in the Ice Age. The discovery was made during the construction of a housing development project in Madrid, as the workers found footprints and stone artifacts dating back 26,000 years. After this, the site was declared a BIC asset of cultural interest, and construction of the building was stopped to preserve history. The archaeologists then began excavating the site in search of more relics. A team of 30 people, which included geologists, technicians, paleontologists, and restorers, gathered and started working on the site. Speaking to the Olive Press, project researcher Juan Sanguinos said that the archaeologists have been planning to ask the Madrid City Council to leave the place as an archaeological reserve for future investigation. The ancient footprints were discovered by construction workers in the Méndez Álvaro district of Madrid, which led to the excavation of the site. In the excavation, one thing was clear, that rhinoceros and herbivores had walked on this site 26,000 years ago. After investigation, 26,000-year-old stone relics were also discovered by the archaeologists, after which the site was identified as a Pleistocene settlement, which means from the Ice Age. Upon survey of 2,000 square meters of area, it was also discovered that several rivers had merged in the paleosurface. Hence, animals and humans came to drink water here, because of which their footprints were present here. Excavation head Pilar Oñate, while speaking to the Olive Press, said that this site was not just a drinking well, but also a unique settlement. He also added, something like this was not known about in the center of the Iberian Peninsula, but previously only on the Cantabrian coast and generally in cave areas and shelters, rather than being in the open air. That's it from this podcast. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay connected for more exciting discussions and updates in our next podcast.